In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop a video in Canva. If you've been looking for a way to make your video projects more engaging with seamless loops, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into it. First, open Canva in your browser. At the top of the homepage, type loop video into the search bar. Canva will show you a variety of templates designed with looping in mind. Browse through the options and pick one that fits the style or theme of your project. Once you've selected a template, click Customize this template. Canva will open it in the editor where you can see all of the video elements laid out, ready for customization. Now, make the changes you want. Edit text by clicking directly on it, then adjust fonts, colors, or sizes to match your brand or message. You can also switch out backgrounds, reposition elements, or add extra graphics to give your looping video more personality. After making your edits, it's important to preview your work. Hit the play button to see how the video loops. Check that the transition between the end and the beginning feels smooth. If it doesn't, try tweaking the timing, transitions, or animations until it flows seamlessly. Once you're satisfied, it's time to export. Click the download button in the top right. Choose your preferred video quality and let Canva process your file. And that's it. Your looping video is ready. You can now share it on social media, add it to presentations, or use it anywhere you want to capture attention with endless, captivating motion. Experiment with different templates and settings to see what works best for your style. Thanks for watching and happy creating.